Hello, it's me again, and today I'm going to talk about a very important topic that has plagued a lot of business analysts. And that topic is called building rapport and having wonderful conversations with your stakeholder. Now, this is important because a lot of times you find that business analysts struggle to hold a very important conversation with their stakeholders in order to elicit requirements. And if you're unable to hold a very good conversation with your stakeholders, you will find it difficult to actually get what's important out of them. And without being able to get what's important out of them, you will struggle to actually help them to deliver value. So, how do we achieve great communication? Well, one of the things you can do as a business analyst to be able to build rapport, build communication, is to learn this popular terminology called mirroring and matching. Now, the reason why I've said that is in business, there's something called we do business with people who are like us, and people do business with people they know, like, and trust. And that's the same thing with building relationships with your stakeholder. You have to be able to get them to a position where they can know, like, and trust you. And the brain works in a very funny way. You see, when the brain feels that you are like someone else, it helps the other person to open up to you to have conversations. So when you mirror someone, not in a way that makes it seem like, oh, I'm copying you, I'm a copycat. But when you mirror someone in a very subtle way, you get their brain to start thinking, this person is really like us. And then when you match their tonality, match the way they speak, match the language they use when you're responding to them, it also helps them to feel that they know you, they can trust you. Now, the other thing that is important in building rapport and building conversation is learning the magic framework that you can use to hold conversations to elicit things from your stakeholder. And I call it, the present, past, future, why now, summary, action points. That's the framework that you can use, and I teach this to my students. And that framework helps you to understand where people are when you meet them, understand what they've done in the past, understand what their goals are or their definition of success, understand why it's important for them, and understand why they want to do that now. So, if you want to learn more about how you can become an exceptional BA, I encourage you to check out our website, and it's bit.ly/BA mastery. Thank you, and see you on the other side. Bye.